Hi, I'm Alannah from the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to 13 Hirons Drive in South Ajax. It's an awesome detached home, 2-car garage, located right across the street from a school. So welcome to this beautiful open living room, dining room, shared area. Beautiful new hardwood flooring put in throughout the house. Lovely light coming through. Let's head out to the kitchen and check it out. All right, so here we have the kitchen. We have this awesome stone countertops, really amazing color. We have tiled backsplash, all stainless steel appliances here in the kitchen. And then we also have a walkout to the backyard off of the kitchen here. Here we have the walkout to the backyard. So if you have any little kids and you want them to play outside, it's beautifully fenced in. If you don't have kids, then it's an awesome entertaining space. We have these awesome cutouts here, little shelving. Now this is a space that you have to see. A second floor living room for you and your family. Beautiful gas fireplace here. Lovely new mantle. Lots of lights. All right, so here we have the primary bedroom. With this is an awesome, fantastic ensuite attached. So to wrap up, we have 2 more bedrooms upstairs, a bathroom here, and second floor laundry. We are located at 13 Hirons Drive in South Ajax, a 2-story detached home, 2-car garage, 3-bedroom house. It's a great opportunity. We can't wait to see you.